Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is my new case for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the Iblason Armor Box. This is one tough but stylish case. I am loving it. It also fits perfect with the new Whitestone dome glass protector. That's what I have on it right now. It comes in a 2-pack right here. Check this out. I love this glass protector. When I installed it with this phone right here, with the case, I had no problem at all with the case, with the glass peeling up or anything like that. It was a perfect fit. I don't know if you can see that, but golly, it's just a beautiful, perfect fit. See my classroom in the back there. And yeah. I just love how it just fits all along the side. This case also has a nice bevel around the side here to protect the screen if you were to put this on a counter, and check out the gigantic bevel around the lens protector right here. New this year with Iblason Armor Box, they have this revolving door right here. And not revolving door, a closing door to go over the lens to protect it, and it kind of clicks really nice. So you don't need to buy a lens protector because you put another added layer of glass on there. No, you don't want to deal with that. This has kind of like a fabric right here. Really like that. Also around the edges of this phone right here, it's kind of like a rubber and gives you that nice non-slip grip. And it's just this big beefy bumpers right here. It's just like, yeah, this is Armor Box. I am just loving it. This comes in quite a few different colors, just like that, and very easy to install. It will come with a built-in screen protector right here. All you have to do, and they'll give you instructions, take a hair dryer. As you can see, I don't have a hair dryer, but I had to borrow my wife's. But to take a hair dryer and just kind of warm it up, don't get it like super hot, and this will just pop right off. Yeah, and I am filming right now with the Rode Smart Lav Plus right here, and I'm using the Anchor adapter, USB adapter, and that's working out great for me. In my my video editing program, it does peak a little bit high. It doesn't go above, but it gets a little bit high, so I need to back it off by like a -3. So, but you can see the levels right now. Hey, test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. And been using that for a long time. I'm using a audio recorder, but I suppose you could use the one that's inside here. And yeah, check out all my other videos. This is what I'm using. This is what it is. I've been using this with the Galaxy S21, 22, 23, and now the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Golly, love this phone case. Thank you, Iblason. Just one tough, manly, beefy phone case. And stylish. Yeah. Hey, if you have any questions, leave it down below. But I have a link down for the different phone cases from Iblason and the Whitestone dome glass protector. Love this, been using that for years also. Yeah, send me cookies. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. Talk to you later. Be safe. Leave a question down below if you need any help on any of this stuff here, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.